Walking in a straight line, that's not really her style. And they all got the same heartbeat, but hers is falling behind. Nothing in this world could ever bring them down. Yeah, they're invincible, and she's just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
G'day fellas. Oh, and ladies, if there's ladies on here, but there probably isn't. This is a kind of a dude channel, right? Whatever. Anyway, today is a kind of a cool day. After 4.5 years of waiting, this baby right here is going on the dyno today to get tuned. If you're seeing this video, it means everything went the way it's supposed to. So that's what we're going to be doing. So check out that rear end. All right, so I guess without further ado, let's head up to the dyno. Oh, by the way, my friend Adam Blevins is going to be dynoing, so we'll see you there. Yeah, it does.
Good. Straighten it up. Got it.
Real close.
Straighten it back up. Oh, never mind. Go back that way. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, you got it.
Damn, that was close.
When we pulled Devon's in,
Yeah.
it was that close on both sides. Damn it.
Those badges look awesome, dude.
Yeah, they look good. Those look really. I love that one.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Mixed driven this car in how many years?
4.5 years.
4.5 years.
4.5. So we just got some gas and then we're gonna take it up to get dyno tuned. The new brakes aren't even bed in.
No, they grab super hard.
Yeah.
It's the first time this thing's seen the road in 4 years.
Which is insane.
Oh, yep, safety first.
Safety first, mate.
Safety first.
This car is pigsty.
Feeling pretty good, Nick?
Yeah, man. It's crazy how even not tuned, it's still going alright. Hold on to your ball bag.
There we go.
Oh yeah, hear that, mate?
Yeah. Still need a little tuning done.
Yeah. She feels good, man. I tell you. I missed driving Commodores. You know, after driving these, you know why they raced them in Australia. In the VQ Supercar Series.
This is what you drove back at home?
Yeah, I had the last one I had was a 96 VSSS. And yeah, I had it for a couple of years, I think. And I had a 304 5-litre V8 in it.
What you have done to it? Anything?
Nah, mate, just intake and headers and exhaust. Sounded good. There's a video on this channel actually doing some burnouts in it. Some circle work, mate.
Go check those out later.
Yeah, check them out.
There you go, back at the home base. Alright, so we'll get her loaded up and we're heading to Blevins.
Yep, Adam Blevins.
Alright, let's see if
Friend of mine.
you can work some magic and get this girl running good.
Yeah, see what we can push out of this thing. It'll be
What are you thinking?
low to mid 400s.
Low to mid 400.
Yeah. I know.
Alright, there we go.
I'll let you guys load it up, I reckon.
Dancy. Hey,
Hey, buddy.
got her done.
Yeah, mate.
How was it?
Not bad. $60.
That sounds about right.
Yeah. Here he is. How's it going, mate?
What's up?
It's good to see you. You half asleep?
Oh,
Well, it's time to wake up. The fucking unicorn's here.
I was wondering what's up. Right.
So here we are at Adam Blevins' house to get the unicorn tuned. Well, it ain't a unicorn anymore, is it? Because it actually exists. So real quick, well, Dan raised the suspension a couple inches just so we didn't have to mess with getting the bumpers and all that stuff off. So yeah, Adam's gonna get her up on the rollers now, I guess. about to give it a bit of a dyno to now, so stay tuned. Transmission's acting up a bit, like it's got low fluid or something. Could be because there's a new trans cooler in it and it's got some airlocks in it. It's only when you mash it, it basically it's like it's losing pressure on the trans, so you're gonna have a look at it, chuck some trans fluid in it. And then there's a couple of pops and creaks going on in the suspension because it's basically been sitting around for 4 years, so I'm sure there's some dry bushings and stuff somewhere. But other than that, it's not bad. So it turns out the transmission was about a quart low, so hopefully that's fixed that shifting issue. But so I'm on the way back home, and just on the 2nd Street Bridge right now. And yeah, it's good to actually be in this thing. But looks like I'm coming into some traffic, which is great. Check this out. Console looks awesome. The head unit, the air conditioning system. Now we have to contend with these horrible roads downtown. But yeah, just got to do a lap down the bottom here and head on home. But anyway, that was the dyno video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Oh, one real quick. You've probably seen it put down about 408 horsepower at the wheel. Now you got to take into consideration the dyno jets read a little low. Adam said he dynoed a couple cars that had been on other dyno jets and there was around 30 horsepower difference. So yeah, they read a bit low, and especially compared to like a Mustang dyno. And so it's probably around 440, 450 plus. You've got the stall converter as well. He tried to lock it up and try to do a pull, but it wouldn't stay locked. But anyway, she's not bad. So give it a little rev in a second and see how she goes, eh? Pretty good, I reckon. So that's the solo performance exhaust with the J pipes and the Kooks headers, and music to the bloody ears, isn't it? Hey, she handles bloody awesome too with the H&R Coilovers.
that's going to be it. If you like the channel, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And we've got to get this thing sorted so we can do some mad skid videos, eh? That's going to be bloody fun. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys.